Hello and welcome to our exploration of the performance on condition monitoring and predictive maintenance, where we develop innovative solutions that elevate effectiveness and efficiency for overall performance of robots. To utilize real-time data to predetermine when the machine will break down and resolve the issue as timely as possible. In this setup, we are using a collaborative UV single-arm robot for picking and sorting, an Inspector P63X for capturing images for deep learning and inspection. In this scenario, both the robot and the inspector will work together to sort out items into two different bins, where one will be for the dirty items and the other will be for the clean items. While it is operating, real-time data can be monitored from the dashboard where it is used for condition monitoring. Condition monitoring is a systematic process that gathers and analyzes data to continuously evaluate the health and performance of equipment. This is the dashboard we are utilizing. This proactive technique employs a variety of sensors and monitoring devices to access critical parameters such as speed, motor axis, torque, temperature, and so on. The benefit is the early detection of anomaly or signs of wear, allowing for timely maintenance actions. This reduces downtime and the likelihood for unforeseen failure, ensuring optimal equipment functioning by resolving possible issues before they worsen. Meanwhile, predictive maintenance is a proactive strategy that schedules maintenance based on predicted future equipment conditions rather than fixed schedules. With the use of MyLab, we are able to analyze data and make use of machine learning and AI to anticipate when maintenance will be required. With the help of diverse options, each representing different results capable of achieving AI learning results based on the dataset. Furthermore, a comprehensive monitoring dashboard and culminating in the generation of a detailed output Excel file. This minimizes unplanned downtime, reducing costs and the extending equipment lifespan. By leveraging historical data and real-time sensor information, predictive maintenance optimizes operational efficiency and enhances equipment reliability.